YouTube, I have a review here. This is the Maxam Tactical Pen. Let's take a look at it. Comes with this bezel, I don't know, self-defense, pommel, whatever, striker. Comes with the clip. Nice. Stiff, it's pretty tough. Added some tape here because I was going to use it, as a necklace, but ended up just not using it as a necklace. The pen, it's okay, writes fine. It looks like shit here because inside the cap there is a, what do you call it, a little gasket. It came off so it wouldn't stay. It would just put it back in the cap, fall off, the little gasket came off. So now I did some epoxy to it. It looks like shit. It's hard as shit, but it works. It worked for my pen. I put some in the back too as well. So if I want to shut it, maybe in the future I'll clean this up a little. I don't really carry this a lot. But yeah, in the future I'll clean this up, maybe just peel off to the point where, I guess the little gasket, catches place. But, for now, it's fine. Doesn't bother me. Has a striker here. It's advertised that it can break glass. I dropped it, then the point came off, so I had to resharpen it. Can't really see it. But yeah, it's fine, it'll hit stuff. Let me see. Yeah, if you strike somebody with this, it'll definitely hurt them. Alright, thanks for watching. $10 online, free shipping.